I also, I echo a lot of what we've just heard in terms of what's it's been like in the UK. CGI does a lot of difficult, complex things well. So we work more than half the work that we do in the UK is for our government, both local and central, and also for the commercial sector. And what we found is that basically competence is is table stakes now. It's the minimum requirement in the business today. Our clients, I'm sure we've all seen it, expect technology to work. During the pandemic, we've had 1,000 different and difficult requests. Like we've helped the people of Glasgow get iPads to all their kids, for example, so that they can all carry on with their classroom training. We set various different village halls up to be areas where people can set up and load computers, etc. So we've done lots of difficult things in times when we've had to socially distance ourselves. But underpinning it all was the fact that people expect technology to be able to do for them at work what they have able to do at home. And I think it's been tremendous how technology has actually stepped up to do that. We've seen a lot more machine learning and advanced analytics as well. So the use of more automation, I think, is here now. It was talked about before. I think it's a given now, to be honest with you. And we've also seen that data security has become a massive theme and trend as well. So, you know, people being at home, you need to be more cognizant and aware of what data is available in their houses and how secure that actually is, and whether or not that data can travel around the world as well. With Schrems 2 legal case that's gone through recently, I think we'll see more and more of that, but we're all more uniquely aware of the fact that data and sovereign data will become more of a theme. But for now, just ensuring that the data that people have with their staff is secure in their home environments is a big theme that I think will continue, and general home access as well. So the competence of people's home Wi-Fi's and their ability to use Teams and Zoom. I mean, who'd have thought we'd have done as many Teams and Zoom meetings as we've all been doing for the last few months and continue to do, and you know, and people's mental health as well on the top of that, with working so remotely, has become a huge theme. So trusted to deliver complex things well is absolutely a given now. But on top of that, my clients are all trusting you to invest in the communities as well. So much as the previous speaker said, you know, it's not enough now to respond to an RFP. You have to be a partner, and partners show up, and they show up in a number of ways, but mostly from a CGI point of view, we're passionate about net zero. We have plans to get to net zero ourselves by 2030, but we're also responsible for helping our clients do that. So we joint programs and plans for tree planting and generally reduction of carbon, but also offering IT and solutions for them to be able to do that. Education's key. So when we turn up now in a town, we work with universities, with local schools, bringing tech to kids that perhaps don't have access to it. Jobs for local people is a huge theme as well. So business, I genuinely believe that this will just become more and more of a stronger theme, that business has a duty to help care for the society and the environment that it lives in. And maybe there's been a bit of a void in the last few years, certainly in the UK with all the Brexit talks and what have you, but perhaps industries filling that void a little bit would be a thought I would give you. And the only other point I was going to raise in my couple of minutes intro is that we are seeing the government codify this now. So from January, 10% of all marks for procurements will be associated with how you behave in terms of the environment and the community, etc. So this isn't just something that's CSR used to be something that people used to pop on the top. We never used to do that, but other companies did. This will need to be baked in now, or you will not be winning government type business come the new year. And that's been very clear, having been on many working sessions with the government recently, that 10% is a minimum, and other departments, some of the departments are going to go with higher percentages than that. So that's things like modern day slavery adherence, and as well as green agenda and working to level up as an agenda as well. So I think these themes will become stronger. Certainly they are doing in the UK, and I think probably globally as well. That's true.